Okay, and then so the home box 1, home box 2, home box 3, those are in reference to these down here. And so you have to tell it to go to say, okay, well, home box 2, pick up the information from WordPress or davidoden.com/WordPress/sponsors. Add an image, and I'll go over to from media library since I know. Okay, so let's see. Let me go on the computer. So let's see. Just on my desktop. There it is. All right. Let me just call this wineries for the sake of it. And we want this full size and insert into post. Okay, so there it is, and then I'm going to put a little bit of text underneath of it, which I've already captured in my clipboard. So now let's update this. And if we come back here to, let's see, let me actually pull up. Okay, so actually, yeah, we're under here already. Okay, so we'll just kind of continue. Tools, I haven't really used much tools, so I'm not going to speak too much on that. Under settings, this is where you set general settings for your site, kind of what your email address is, what the date format should be, time format, what the title of the site is, and then you can go through reading, writing, discussion to go through those various general settings. Under the permalinks menu, this is where you would set how you want your URL structure, naming convention to be. So definitely look at that. And then to go over the actual theme options, this is where we would choose, obviously we have a logo, our social links, so our Facebook, Twitter, display latest tweet. I decided to do no, and so these are little things that would it would add like a little tweet box here showing the latest tweet that we did, which is okay. And then so the home box 1, home box 2, home box 3, those are in reference to these down here, and so you have to tell it to go to say, okay, well, home box 2, pick up the information from WordPress or davidoden.com/WordPress/sponsors. And so just go through here and like this blurb is in reference to this here. So this is the blurb. And in CSS, they'll actually name this whole section blurb something. So you can go in and edit that pretty easily. And so obviously I have some HTML inside here. So I bolded some things like the date and whatnot. And I actually redid this entire button here in Photoshop and then uploaded that directly to my host under the images under the exact same name that that button was previously called, so then it would just take the place of it. And then contact page settings, I have some HTML again just to show, have the layout correct and the way I want it. And then it actually, under the whole pages thing, we can actually set the template to be a contact page. So it'll go ahead and embed this contact form, and then all you have to do is tell it to email you at a certain address. And so we've got footer options, SEO options, which I would definitely look into. And so under this, our theme is called Boldy. So this would be whatever your theme name is, and so definitely look under here at all that good stuff. And you can bring in a logo from your computer, but I've actually got this hosted on a site that's pulling in. So that kind of goes over the interface in Lingo. Earlier we went over the how to set it up and actually what it is.